If you believe that you are somebody that always never has enough money for your bills, you never have an outstanding amount of abundance, that's why it keeps happening. However, if you're on the opposite side of the spectrum and you're doing extraordinarily well, you believe you are somebody made for success. That's why it happens. All this stuff is the same. As you can tell, we're saying the same thing. It's all in belief, right? We always say it. We say the same thing. We're just giving you different ways of seeing this, including giving myself a different way of seeing it every time I read new books or learn directly from Bob or learn directly from other mentors I have. It's all the same. It's always going to be all the same. But sometimes we live in a world that we don't get to see this stuff besides an hour a day. So 10 hours a day, you're sitting in physical reality and your thoughts generally gravitate towards that direction. Before we break this down here, I hope everyone sees now that you're on a path of unleashing your power. It doesn't happen overnight. And what you're all doing on this call, including myself, is literally what mystics and people have tried to do for thousands of years. I hope you see that. That the unleashing that you're doing here now, getting on these calls, getting in this program, and everything that you're doing is so big that for the rest of your life, you're going to be completely liberated. It's not just this goal that you want for 2018. It's for life. So I hope you remember that every day. Just know you're getting better. Know that everything, one day, is just going to be so mind-blowing that you can create anything that you want to. It always takes time, but you can manifest anything.